Hey, welcome to the photo department. I'm Christopher and it is the 5th of July, which means there's a possibility that you might hear some fireworks in the background. I first wanted to just say thank you to all of my supporters. You guys are awesome. I have been getting emails constantly about new content and people asking me questions, which is really cool because I love geeking out over camera stuff and I love helping people figure things out. So that's been really rad, and the support has been very inspiring, and it's made me want to do lots more and come up with more ideas and partner with some people and kind of expand the idea of the photo department beyond what it currently is. So look out for some cool things coming up, but I just want to say thank you because I've had a lot of support and it really means a lot. So it's nighttime. It's like 9:30 at night. Also, it means I'm not drinking coffee. This is Refresh Lemon Seltzer, which is lemon seltzer. So I wanted to make finally part 2 of the 2-part Nikon Action Touch underwater camera review. The first part of the review was just the regular point and shoot aspect of the camera, but I recently was able to take this into a pool with a friend of mine, Kitty, who you guys have seen photos of her in the pool before, but above water. This time we got underwater. Now I'm going to go ahead and temper your expectations right now and let you know that this camera has a leak somewhere in the seal in the back. And what that means is all of the film that I shot was water damaged. It wasn't a ton of water, but it was enough to damage the film, and you'll see that as brown stains or splotches or spots on your film when you get it developed. It's a little bit of a bummer because I was hoping that as long as the seals were intact, I would get good images, or at least get serviceable images. That would be interesting, having never shot underwater before. The images that I did get were really cool, but this isn't something I can really rely on for future projects, unfortunately. It's not a huge surprise. This camera was made in '86 and it's used. I bought it used. So there's no guarantee that the seal would actually be good after this much time, these many years. So because there's a leak, the camera's not really working the way it used to. There's definitely some damage to the electronics inside. So this camera is effectively dead now. But I did get out of it what I wanted, which was some cool underwater photos. So I'm going to show those to you right now. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I didn't get a ton of pictures because the film got destroyed. So these photos were shot on Fuji Industrial 400, and I didn't even get a full roll because after shooting a couple frames, the transport seized up and it wouldn't roll the film. It actually pinched the film kind of in there and it wouldn't advance it any further. I actually had to take the film out of the camera in my dark bag that I used to roll film in my tank, but I thought the pictures looked pretty cool despite the damage to the photos. I'm planning on getting one of the Nikon cameras. I'm not sure which one just yet. I know there's a 4, the 5, there's a 3. I've seen a couple. They're really heavy duty. They're a lot more heavy than the Action Touch, but I don't think that's going to be any issue. I am very excited about shooting underwater and doing more of that this summer, so look out for more of that kind of stuff. Shout out to Glass Key Photo in San Francisco. They're my favorite photo shop. I buy all my film from them. I bought my Nikon F2 from them. I bought some lenses from them. They are an amazing store. Matt and Gordon are amazing dudes. They know a lot about film and cameras, and they are the place to go in San Francisco for that kind of stuff. I'm going to be partnering with them in upcoming videos, and you guys will see eventually what that partnership is going to look like, so I'll kind of leave it at that. But shout out to those guys for always being really awesome, super helpful, and very cool. All right, that is this episode, part 2 of the Nikon Action Touch. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry that it took so long to get this one out and into the universe. I promise there are more videos coming. I have a new Twitter account for the photo department. It's at the photo department with an underscore because some random dude took the photo department name on Twitter and he doesn't even post. But it's at the photo department with an underscore. I will be posting about videos there. I will have extra content from videos, behind the scenes stuff, more photos, recommendations. If you have a question for me that you want me to answer in a video, I'm going to start doing a Q&A section at the end of videos where I will answer a couple of questions that were written into me. I already have a couple of questions that I've been getting through like DM and Instagram and emails and stuff. So if you have a question for me, we'll have a Q&A section at the end of every video, and maybe your question will make it in the video. So yeah, that sounds fun, right? I don't know. See you guys later.